Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to figure out whether Vanguard or Charles Schwab is the better brokerage for your investments in 2025, you're in the right place. Both are giants in the industry, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's dive in and compare them step by step so you can make an informed decision. First off, let's talk fees. Vanguard is known for its ultra-low expense ratios, especially on index funds and ETFs, making it a favorite for long-term, passive investors. On the other hand, Charles Schwab offers commission-free trading on stocks, options, and ETFs, plus no account minimums, which is a huge plus for beginners or those with smaller portfolios. Next, investment options. Vanguard shines with its wide range of mutual funds and a focus on retirement accounts like IRAs. It's perfect if you're all about steady growth. Schwab, however, provides more diverse choices, including robo-advisors, international stocks, and even banking services, making it a one-stop shop for comprehensive financial management. User experience is another key factor. Vanguard's interface is straightforward and easy to navigate, ideal for those who prefer simplicity. Schwab's app is more feature-packed with advanced tools like stock screeners and real-time data, which might appeal to active traders. In 2025, both have upgraded their mobile apps for better security and AI-driven insights, but Schwab edges out with more personalized recommendations. Customer service is where things get interesting. Vanguard offers solid phone support and educational resources tailored to index investing. Schwab goes further with 24/7 chat support and a vast library of webinars, which could be a game-changer for new investors. Now, for pros and cons. Vanguard is unbeatable for cost efficiency and loyalty rewards, but it might feel limited if you want frequent trading. Schwab is more versatile with better integration for banking, but its fees on some mutual funds can add up. Ultimately, if you're a buy-and-hold investor focused on low costs, go with Vanguard. For a full-service platform with more flexibility, Schwab is your pick. Remember, the best choice depends on your financial goals. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more investment tips. See you next time.